This tutorial shows you how to use AI-powered noise and echo reduction for your calls. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on System. From there, click on Sound. At this point, scroll down to the Input section and click on your active microphone. In the next step, click on Audio Enhancements. Following this, look for voice clarity within the list of options. Once done, toggle it on if it isn't already enabled. From here, this feature now uses AI to reduce background noise, echo, and reverb during your calls. At this stage, this works automatically with apps that support communication signal processing mode, like PhoneLink and WhatsApp. Keep in mind, this feature requires compatible hardware, so it may not be available or may run differently depending on your device's processor. Finally, make a test call to hear the difference voice clarity makes to your voice quality. And that's it. If this guide helped you use voice clarity in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.